thing. And
should we all stay like that and not move?
Hey guys,
Yeah, like the police squad.
police squad. Can't do that. Brilliant.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Resistance is an annoyance.
It can be.
Who remembers these old police squad when they did the final things and they did the freeze frame by simply
Standing still.
standing still?
Would they be pouring a coffee or something?
Yeah.
It's all a bit of overflowing.
That was brilliant.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
was
I like the police.
Yeah.
Police squad. They're so awesome.
Later, I had a little hunchback at the office. It was like a hunchback.
Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Hey guys! Yeah, we're back after
A bit of a break. So,
a bit of a break.
what happened? I was sick. Actually.
You were sick this time.
Yeah.
I was sick this time. Yeah.
We're
Yeah.
I kind of got over it, but I didn't want to sit next to these two guys. So I was
No, you were so infectious.
yeah, no, please.
Yeah.
I'm doing really badly.
Oh, you've got enough collection. You wouldn't even
Yeah.
notice
Yeah,
the
yeah.
difference. That you
No,
would-
I take so much pills. Can't even walk around at all. No,
Exactly.
yeah, I don't want. What to call that? Cold on top of that.
Yeah.
No, thanks.
Here they call it grippe.
Grippe, yeah.
Grippe. In England, there's a word that says gripe, which is spelt the same way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same in
But
German.
that's like an old-fashioned
It's German is
word.
grippe, yeah.
Grippe.
Yeah. Deadly man flu, yeah.
I want to.
Yeah, and of course I caught this too. And but this only lasts 2 days here. So went to bed for 2 days, and everybody was thinking, "Where's that?" And I simply slept.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I was
Yeah,
myself
fun.
again,
now that I have.
without any annoying anybody.
Yeah.
So I see all the normal people are here. PM, all right. Greg is here. Judge is of course here. Paul is there. Yeah. All the normal people. Very nice to see you again, people.
Dutch 1 and Dutch 2 are also
Yeah,
there.
both of the Dutches won.
Well, Dutch 1 and Dutch 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Warwick!
Which
Oh,
is,
Warwick,
which
hi,
is
Warwick.
which,
Yeah. So.
So this little board has a story. Rich did the thing, we did the thing where we were going for, okay, we're doing this board. I can't even remember what we're doing there.
The RF signal
The
generator.
RF signal generator, right.
There's a bit to, you tell your story, there's a bit I can add to this.
Okay, and we were going for, and Richard said, okay, can't we use an auto router because beer and burgers and stuff.
Oh no, sorry, that's the op-amp tester. Op-amp
Op-amp
parity test.
I'm already forgetting what we did.
Okay.
And I said, okay, I never use the auto router. And some of you guys in the discussion on this video said, okay, auto routers are bad, auto routers are bad. This is my normal thinking too. And this is why this little board is lying there. This is one of mine because this is hand layout. Yeah, and I think this is way more cleaner than using any auto router. On the board we had there, this is a big board, it's 20 centimeters or something, and we had
Oh, stream is blocky.
Stimulus Bloxy. Dutch, try F5 on your keyboard. If that doesn't shift F5 to reload the page.
yeah, we are not dropping any frames. Drop
Yeah.
frames 0% on our side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not dropping here, and we're putting out 27 kilobits.
Is the audio working?
I think so. They would have told us.
Yeah, I just noticed on the audio mixing, nothing's happening, that's all.
It's further down, I think.
Yeah.
You can hear us, guys, yeah?
Oh, got this side. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. On. Hey, my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
Yeah, you can get started. Yeah, we're trying to. Yeah. So to revive this this thing, how do you guys think auto routers? What's your opinion on auto routers for PCBs?
Just to make clear, if you don't know what the auto router is,
Yeah,
it's for
you can ask what is an auto
PCB
router.
design
Yeah.
software.
Yeah.
See, my point of view is that because I'm no good at routing PCBs,
Oh.
I wouldn't make any better job than the auto router.
Oh, you would. For
Yeah.
sure you would.
Just using logic, you win over the auto router most of the time, except for multi-layer boards where it has 4 layers.
Oh no. Especially not on the.
No, for
Yeah.
I mean for a novice.
If Robert Fennick would sit here, he would scream at you for this one.
Oh yeah, no. I agree with him. If you know what you're doing, you have to manually route, especially the multi-layer boards. But for a beginner, you can get very confused with the multi-layer design in the software.
Of course, Warwick. Go on then. What's an auto router? If you're doing PCBs, like the little one on screen there, you know you draw your schematics and you have all the connections over there, and then you drop the pieces on the board. You mount them somewhere and try to have less crossings there as possible.
Okay.
And Carlos is trying to show.
Okay,
something.
so let's say you want this pin to over here. We would just go over here, but the autorouter does iterations. So first it puts this one, then this one, then this one, and it goes pin number wise, and then it removes and adds, and so this pin can actually go this way around over here.
So it just draws tracks.
Yeah.
Not really. Auto routers are the normal auto routers that have to have a strategy that goes horizontal and vertical. So they go line, 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 line,
Okay.
and then the wires to get to the other side around. This
Yeah.
is normally how an auto router
I
works.
think Dutch Linux has answered the question far better
Yeah,
than we
he
did.
did,
It
he
draws
did.
lines to components.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's what it does. It,
Pretty much.
it actually draws the tracks on the PCB. Rather than, so you put the schematic into the software, and then the old-fashioned way, you would then have to draw the lines to connect everything together, the tracks.
You actually
And the
drew
auto
them.
router draws the tracks for you. It works out where all the tracks are going to go.
Yeah. If you go on to really old electronics, you actually can see the draw lines.
People draw, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, this
because-
was art. This was
yeah,
art. The early
you drew
PCBs
it by hand, but
respect.
auto routers are a simplification to not need to route everything, and it tells you if it fails or not, so you know everything is connected. When you do a manual route, you have to keep in mind that if there is a missing component, you have a red line normally that shows that it's missing a track. And you actually get an error when you when you do it.
No worries. This was important because we normally think, okay, all the people know everything in there, and
Yeah, no. So, and it's not everyone that actually does electronics actually makes their own boards.
of course, yeah, we could go Vero board with this.
Yeah. So PCB design is actually quite accessible nowadays with software like Easy EDA that's free from JLC PCB, I think. And then we have the free, what's it called, Eagle CAD and KiCad.
KiCad.
Eagle had a free version.
I think they still have.
Yeah.
This is limited to 160 by 80 something.
Yeah, okay, the
Euro
size
cost,
is
yeah,
limited,
and,
yeah.
and two sides, so you can't
Yeah.
do anything that has.
And then there are the professional grade ones that actually have some more features for signal length matching and stuff like that for high frequency signals.
Yeah.
But if you're a hobbyist, normally you don't need that unless you're working with USB-C or something higher speed.
There's actually a thing there that Richard said. This was your one thing that you said.
With the op-amp tester, so the op-amp tester, you plug an op-amp in or a comparator or surface mount when you hold it against the exposed pads.
Yeah.
And all it does is flashes an LED on at about 1 or 2 hertz.
Okay.
The whole tester is supplied via a constant current source, 20 milliamps or 50 milliamps. So I'm saying, look, there's no current anywhere on this PCB because it's supplied from a constant current source. It's only running at like 1 or 2 hertz. So what's the point in manually routing the PCB, because none of the tracks are carrying any current and there's no high frequencies.
Okay. Yeah.
And this was my point.
It will work.
Well, this is what people say. So this became, and fair enough, because learning electronics repair, I always leave any comment, positive or negative, that goes in there.
Yeah.
And it's quite a controversial topic, this.
It is.
Yeah, it is.
And Chris says something interesting here. He says, I think that would probably help with replacement of components, which normally routing doesn't. Even when you're routing manually, sometimes you find you need to reposition components, such as reversing a resistor on some schematics. Happens to me too. I know what you're feeling, Chris. Happens to me too. Yeah, this is normal. And when you get some routine in there, you know how to place them. The rule of the thumb would be try to minimize crossings in the rat's nest. The rat's nest are the blue lines normally.
Rat's nest.
Yeah. Try to minimize these crossings in there. If you have less crossings in there, the chances are you don't have interference in there, and you don't have a wire through and another wire through, another wire through, another.
And
I hate
actually,
this when this happens.
just on the topic, I'll put this out to the swarm, okay? So
Hit it.
there's this general conception that if you're routing, you don't have right-angled turns in the tracks.
Oh yeah.
So
I got you back on camera.
yeah. So for example, like here, you see the track goes through 45 degrees and 45 degrees, and there's some conventional wisdom that says this causes less interference. And my point is, well, if that's the case, what does it matter? Because the vias go vertically through the board, so that every via is a 90-degree turn anyway.
Dave explained this from EEV blog actually.
Okay.
Because the interference is polar, it goes around the wire in a spinning motion. When it goes down, it goes only around here, so it never reaches anything. There is a minimum distance. That's why they're round normally.
That's why the via is round, right?
Yeah, actually, okay. Construction is easier as well, but
Well, I would have thought so.
yeah. But these right angle turns actually don't matter on low frequency stuff at all. There can be some resistance and stuff, but on high frequency stuff, the signal practically jumps over to the other side.
Or bounces off.
Yeah, it magnetically couples. But that depends on what's on the actual wire.
The common thing here is that people that you say normally, if you've got a 90-degree angle in there, the pointy bit would be an antenna.
Yeah, exactly. But the antenna needs a certain frequency. Right?
So if you got something running 100 kilohertz, this doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes it's easier when you got 45 degrees everywhere, because lend me the pointing device, please.
The pointing device, the high-tech pointing device.
If you look over here,
Not,
my God,
he's not going to use one of these.
we're looking over here. These kind of layers over here. This is easier to do when you do 55 degrees. If 90 degrees here, this would be trickier to do with.
I see, because you've got a bigger gap because it's coming through at 45. I get
I think
that.
KiCad has a plugin in there that can do really rounded corners, but you really only need this. If you want to go for aesthetics, could be one
it looks
point.
really nice.
Or if you go on high frequency, so say gigahertz is some 60 gigahertz for detecting if people are in the room or something. Then you need special. But this is voodoo.
Yeah, I have.
Not going there.
I have something to add here. When I made my cartridge for the ZX Spectrum, the RGB cartridge I made, I auto-routed it first just to see what happened, and it gave me 112 vias. And when I was finished hand routing it, I had 13. So
Vias.
Vias through the board. I wanted to minimize it because I'm running all the wires from the connector to the other side, so I can put in a additional cartridge or whatever. So that's really important when you're trying for signal integrity. Now the ZX Spectrum, I don't know if it helps or not, because it's not high frequency or anything, and the cartridge port is already sucky when it comes to signals. So I don't know if it gets better or not.
Somebody's drilling holes.
This is a Sunday here.
It's a Sunday. Somebody's drilling
Even
holes.
the Spanish don't work on Sundays.
Okay.
No.
So, if we continue about topics, so I just want to talk about the RF signal generator topic. Okay, so this is the one you guys have seen me using, this 225 megahertz. I think it's 10 kilohertz to 225 megahertz RF generator. Sorry about the drilling in the wall. So, just to let you guys know what's happening with that, one of the subscribers on Learning Electronics Repair, a guy called Manticore, with some numbers after it, Jim, got in touch with me, and he actually rewrote the firmware for this signal generator to make it more usable as a signal generator rather than something for amateur radio, which is what it's intended to be. And then Jim and myself got talking we just emailed back and forwards and wanted to add AM modulation and FM modulation, so we can use this signal generator and modulate the signal. And we got talking about that, and Jim kind of looked at it, and then he pointed me in the direction of another guy, which some of you guys might have heard of, named John Hawkes. So John Hawkes has a YouTube channel. He's an expert pretty much in like microcontroller units and an RF.
Okay.
So John Hawkes was developing this signal generator to use like a little clock generator, SI
Yeah.
one.
I know.
And he's been working with Adafruit to develop another one which will do FM modulation.
Oh yeah, the board you have is from Adafruit,
Yeah. So he was working on an upgraded version of this with a different version of the chip, which you can't buy at the moment on the breakout board. So upshot of all this is I then got in touch with John Hawkes and asked him if he wanted to get involved in this in like a joint project on my channel, on his channel, and he's really keen to do that. So if you guys know John, then you're going to see a collab coming up with Detlef, myself and John, and Jim. Jim is shy, he doesn't want to go onto camera, but the rest of us will. So anyway, that's something we're working on, and hopefully sometime next month you'll see some progression on that one.
There are a lot of YouTubers that don't like to show their face.
Yeah. Well,
I don't like to
well,
show my
John
face.
Hawkes,
If
if you
look
have
at your face. Yeah. Sorry. Did I say this out loud? To answer some of the questions here, Lon, there actually are holders for these kind of ICs. You get these as little adapter boards, and I have pins out there.
Oh, I can show you one.
Do you have one of the programmers here? Because I bought both of the programmers at my place.
I don't know, I can show you one of the adapters.
Okay, great. And there are clamps
push
that you
adapters,
can put on top of the things. Okay, perfect.
They're quite
No,
small.
get to the.
That's a different source.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's go for the big one
and
first.
here's another one.
Nah, Dutch, I saw your face. This isn't half as bad.
Okay, so as you can see, you just plug it into the programmer, and you have these push pins.
Yeah,
that open
and then
up.
you drop the little chip inside, and we normally use them for programming.
Yeah, so it can be used for other things, quick swap of chips and stuff.
Yeah.
If you destroy your chips quite often, this is quite good.
Yeah, there's another one.
Yeah, and here's this type I haven't seen before actually,
Yeah, this is for
with a little lid.
with the lid.
Oh, cute.
Yeah,
It tells you. It should tell you on the adapter what it's for. So it's saying QFN8.
yeah, it does.
So these are QFN chips that have no pins on.
Yeah, the ones that are under the chip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
pretty much.
Oh yeah, QFN8 adapter. It says on
For
the-
two different sizes,
Yeah,
6.5,
for the 25
6 times
yeah.
5 millimeter, and then the other one's something else. If you just get to the bottom, the
They're
right,
quite fiddly
the
to
right
open
down
up.
here.
Open up.
By the way,
You need
the
tweezers.
cheap ones
Right
have
there.
downsides. The one when we showed before.
They're a little expensive.
No, they're horrible.
6 times
Because,
5 mil, and
yeah.
under your thumb there is 8 times 6 mil.
I dropped this on my programmer, and it reads no connection.
Yeah.
And I hold my finger on it and try again, and maybe I have a connection. So
Yeah, if you
if
push
you
it
get
down.
one, don't expect wonders. So this is fiddly at least.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
normally the thing that fails is the pressure on
Well, that's
this.
something off Alien. The
Yeah.
jewel. Yeah.
And
This is the
Warwick
same
is
type, I
right.
guess.
The little circuit board we showed before is the same color as Richard's shirt.
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
That's no.
Yep.
It's a reflection. Okay, so sticking on projects, and if we can move on from that one, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So I bought off AliExpress, if we can get the camera, 2 little baggies. Let's get the overhead camera so we can see the baggies. Can we zoom? Or?
There we go.
Oh, well zoomed. Hello.
Literal manual zoom.
More.
Yeah. So I bought 2 of these baggies on special offer. They were €2 something each.
So what are these?
Well, these are power supplies. So it's a 0 to 30 volt, 0 to 10 amp variable bench power supply. Open one of the baggies, let's see what's in it. For €2 something.
They have a lot of components inside for €2, that's for sure.
Yeah. Let's say they were 260 or 270 each. Special offer.
I'll drop it out on to here. Whoa.
We still have the handheld camera. I could do the
Yeah.
messy camera.
So,
work
so we
here.
got all this for €2 something.
Okay, so
We have a PCB. Is this auto routed? That's the first good question. Is it manually routed?
This is manually routed. It's way too straightforward. Sorry.
Get you.
Okay.
Now I'm the total wrong camera. We have too many cameras.
Oh, no.
There we go. Okay, so you see all the straight lines? That doesn't happen with auto router pretty much.
Okay.
But
And some thick tracks for the current and that.
yeah, so there is some thought into this. It's not bad. And I like that they mark the components because it doesn't come with any instructions. So
Yeah.
it's going to be really hard to build this otherwise.
Well, did they do the values and the components? Yeah, they did.
Yeah, they did.
So it is not hard to build.
Yeah, no. This is really easy to build thanks to the nice silk screen,
Yeah.
actually, because otherwise you need an entire manual to put this together.
So what came with it was all these components, a little heat sink. Obviously, this is a bit of a con because it's €2 something, but to build this, you need a big linear transformer.
Yeah.
Or maybe a switch mode one to power into it. And you need heat sink, a good size heat sink, I would think.
Yeah, at least.
This goes on here somewhere.
0 to 30 volts, yeah?
0 to 30 volts and 0 to 10 amps. So, I got little pots like here.
Yeah, it comes with a lot of stuff.
Came with a lot of stuff for €2 something. So anyway, guys, I bought these and I showed them to Det, and Det said, "Oh, I've seen that before. So what do you know about these, Det?"
Yeah, I can't do this on this machine because we don't have.
We can do it on this one.
Yeah, can you get a YouTube over there?
Yep, I'm on it.
Second PC.
So basically, another YouTuber has already done what I'm going to do.
Stupid Bing. There we go.
Right, go to YouTube.
Yeah.
We have lots of YouTubes opening up all over the place.
Yeah.
Yeah, YouTube is. I think we're automatically logged in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Let's go again. Leave our channels open. Just in
okay.
case.
So what do you want us to go to, Dad?
Try Joftech. J-O-F.
Joftech.
Yeah.
TEC.
I think. Yeah. Try that. Try that.
I would say Joftech in English.
Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, this is the guy.
And this guy built them.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go to videos. It's one of the most recent ones, right? Right?
Somewhere
There we go. I found the baggie.
Yeah.
The baggie.
Flames
So-
first and conclude.
So this guy Joftech built one of these, and it blew up.
Yeah, it exploded spectacularly. Detlef said.
So the
you
question
start
is
it
to
with-
you guys: if I build one, do you think the same thing will happen? Do you think Joftech did something wrong, or do you think that it's going to explode?
No, this is not the explosion there.
No, it's something else exploding.
Yeah. Oh, it's good.
Oh, that's
That's
Death's
That's
vest cloth.
design.
yeah, yeah. This is how I met Joftech. We talked a bit, and he asked me, "Oh, I have did some."
Oh, this is a nice build guide for this.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a nice build guide.
Yeah.
Does it blow up?
Yeah, what?
I think it was pretty much at the start somewhere where it shows as it blows up.
You'd think normally they show that at the end, wouldn't
Yeah. No, he didn't show anything.
you? Yeah, it's the same kit that I bought. I bought two. Oh yeah, look, there's a schematic.
Yeah,
It's probably on the webpage where you bought it.
I think he draws it. He drew this.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
he made it himself.
He has one there with a transformer.
Yeah, okay, probably exploding here. Then.
So,
That would be my guess.
I can't remember. It's too long ago.
Let's see what happens.
He has one of those safety blocks.
Quick test.
Oh, he has a safe block.
Yeah.
Not the anal bleaching.
No,
thing
no,
again.
no bleaching. No, we're not searching for safe block again.
no,
Anal bleaching.
no, forbidden words.
I don't
So
know.
guys, if you don't know Joftech, get over there, leave some likes, because this is a nice guy, and this is a small channel starting right now.
So where's he going to blow this up?
At the end, I'm pretty sure that there will be an explosion as well, right?
Yeah. Oh well, it looks like he has a resistive load on here
Yeah, he did a really comprehensive test. Yeah.
of this thing, and I don't see. Well, yeah. I don't see where he blows it up. Apparently, he blew it up.
Yeah.
So the question is, guys, if I build these, are they going to blow up?
Probably.
For that price, it probably blows up.
Yeah.
You bought version
From what?
1.0.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Version number.
So they don't charge you extra for the explosion.
It's a lot of work to see blow up to put this together. That's for sure.
No.
Oh, you got this still running. That's good.
Yeah.
How long would it take you to build this?
We won't do it on
No. I know. For me, it's an hour.
an hour or so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say the same. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I just wanted to know how time expectations.
Yeah.
Because some projects I think, oh, it's just an hour, and then 3 hours later, I'm still at it.
Yeah, I think we can say that everything takes longer than you thought.
Yeah.
I think that is
That's a general rule. that happens with cars. That happens with electronics, and everything in between.
yeah. Oh, nice signals.
Is it a signal generator?
I don't know.
That doesn't look too clean if it's power.
I don't know. Anyway, guys, I'm going to build them, so that's another one on my channel. Let's see if they explode.
Yeah, they probably will. We can always hope.
Yeah, it could be fun.
Yeah, we won't forget to video it. Peter is back online. How you doing, my friend? Hope you're doing better, man.
You can put away the
Oh yeah, I can put away them.
our
So,
camera guy.
oh.
There we go.
Anybody want to see some vintage stuff?
Vintage. Oh yeah, you got vintage stuff.
Vintage stuff.
Yeah.
You have vintage.
What will Carlos unscrew today? 40. It's coming right now.
Yeah, pretty much what that means. Yeah. Let's put these over.
Carlos like to screw.
So-
You have to ask him.
This segment of the videos, we should call it Carlos Screws.
It's Carlos Cruz. Yeah.
Right.
It works.
Are we ready? And now for Carlos
Carlos
Screws.
I'm screwed.
You're screwed.
Oh, Carlos unscrews. Okay,
I got upgraded at least.
Oh, okay. From the car boot sale.
What is this?
I paid €20 for it.
Frequency, range, impedance.
Can we get it into the shot? The right way up.
Okay, let's.
So guys, I bought this for €20 at the car boot.
Trio frequency counter FC756.
10 to 60 megahertz or 50 to 500 megahertz.
Wow.
This is €19 too much. This is possible.
I'd say this. I'd say it's the same, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh, impedance for 1 meg or 50 ohms. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's like for an antenna.
Yeah.
50 ohm antenna or 1 meg impedance. Attenuator
Yeah.
And this.
times 10 or, yeah.
Yeah, and the antenna input, or the input, obviously.
70s era. I think this might be early 80s, but I don't know.
Yeah, it doesn't
I think,
look 70s.
I think we'll find out if we look at the chips inside.
Yeah, pretty much.
Have you seen the
Yes.
power? Have you seen how we apply power to it?
Ah, yes, the safe and nice kind.
Well, it got a ground screw. Look at this.
Yeah. It won't kill me instantly.
Yeah,
Then.
yeah. If we want to...
Just almost.
Gary Granato, Trio pre-1968 Kenwood. Really?
Really?
All right. Never known this. See? Learned something today.
Wow. Pre-1986.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, no, yeah, Trio was Kenwood, but yes. Because I had a all separate stereo and it was Trio. And I bought that in 1984 or 5. And then they changed the name to Kenwood, that's correct.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, what's that?
It's been opened before.
What's this?
It's a burn mark.
Uh-huh.
A lot of heat came
And
here.
this is probably from some
Yeah, it's
mounting things.
Why the
Heat.
heat sink?
That's a good
Yeah,
question. Because
yeah,
I
it's a
would guess
massive
there's,
heating.
there's not so much power going on in there. Well, you
It's
know,
heavy as all
It
hell.
weighs a fair bit.
Yeah. Okay, so it's been opened. It's missing a screw down there.
What's it say on the sticker? It says something a good exit of the 62.5 megahertz. What's this say? Come on. Mucho español.
So it measures correctly from 62.5 megahertz and up.
And the range.
From 62 and a half up.
Okay.
So up to 500, I'm guessing. So it doesn't. The range from 10 hertz to 60 megahertz doesn't work.
Oh, so they're saying only the high frequency ranges work.
Yeah, and not the lower part of it either, because
Okay.
it's 50 to 500. So,
Okay.
so that's a strange.
Okay. You want to try to open it?
I can try.
This says view the voltage.
Yeah, vertension. So yeah, check the voltage.
Oh, check.
So the voltage is 220. Yeah, 240, 220 to 240.
Okay.
To a normal, nothing strange there. Can I remove this without removing these?
Maybe.
Yeah, it looks like
Oh,
it's...
some screws.
Yeah, I got upgraded with some nice screwdriver Richard reviewed.
Kenwood is trio in Europe, yeah.
Right.
Kenwood was already well known, but oh yes, Kenwood were like making kettles and toasters and things, I think.
Really? I only
Embedded hobbies, was that right? Kenwood were like making like kitchen things, like cookers and things.
I only remember these from audio equipment.
Carlos, do not lose any more screws.
Look at this high tech.
With his psychosomatic screwdriver.
Look at this high tech.
This is.
I like this.
Everybody likes
This
this.
is the one Richard had on his channel.
Yeah.
A wood screw, nice. So it has been opened
Well,
before.
it's a screw, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Don't get picky.
Okay. So, I think this is from the early 80s.
Yep.
What do we have?
You are.
Not so much.
Yeah, you could be right.
Oh, hand-rooted PCB.
Yeah,
We were talking about them. Can we get the camera?
Now I started something, man.
yeah. There we go. Yeah.
Oh,
This
beautiful.
is literally hand drawn.
Can you get us under a microscope?
Yeah.
Yeah,
This-
we can.
Yeah.
This deserves a microscope shot.
Yeah, let's get this under the mic.
Oh my god, the backside.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Microscope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need to switch over to the microscope over there on the second.
Yeah,
And I think I'll raise the microscope up a bit, yeah?
Yeah, please. Mouse pad, come here. Yeah, babies. Okay,
Oh.
I'm coming. I'll disappear for a few minutes. Micro. Is this?
A hand job. Yes, it is.
Hand job. It's about telling somebody where with the children of this channel.
Do we have beer, please?
We can have beer. We can have beer. One moment. Detlef, you want the...
We were talking about hand jobs.
I take Dorada. If you got some Dorada,
I
I'm
do
happy with Dorada.
I'm going to take Tropical.
Sorry for the vomit inducing. That's the most it goes up.
Okay, yeah, I think this is all.
I think actually this is.
Yeah, I think we need a different camera there. Yeah.
Yeah. No microscope. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go for the overhead and bring it out.
Yeah.
I'm just making space. I won't lose the wood screw.
Thank you.
There we go.
Sir.
There we go.
Well better.
I have to take the kid to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Bathroom break, everybody.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Talking about Jesus Christ, what's going on in there? What the
I
heck?
thought you were atheist.
Yeah. Just hurt.
What's going on in there? Look at this.
Oh,
Is it
Okay.
open down there?
We need a
Rich?
handheld camera.
all these fat chips
I'll
down
take
there.
your keys, please.
I've got the keys for.
With the toilet.
Oh yeah, all these fat ICs.
Oh, I think these are the drivers for the display handheld.
Okay, what
I
we
would
got?
guess we did have some. Over there's a little.
Light.
Yeah, little light. There's a light. SN74143. Swarm Intelligence, please go. You need to hold the button.
Oh,
And then you go blind.
74. So SN74143.
Yeah, and
These were around in the
Paul,
7th.
Paul, you were right. 7745. 1977, 45th week.
Oh, 1977.
And I'm pretty sure they're display drivers.
The height of the disco era.
Oh, okay. But does this have anything to do with the frequency thing?
Yes. Yeah, it's funky.
Oh, it's funky. These are funky frequencies. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can crawl in there. On these things.
But was a whole row of them.
Okay, got something here on this one. Can I read this? I can't.
MC one
MC
two
micro checker, so MC Motorola chip. 112. Is this MCI?
MC 12. Oh, MCI 2013P.
From there's a date right on there somewhere.
That says 78.
78. Okay. And there's just some transistors on there. All right, let's show the people the backside, because this is the real beauty of this thing.
What, the heatsink?
No, the backside. Turn it around. Just,
No, the reverse side.
yeah. The bottom.
The bottom.
Bottoms up, please.
Look at that.
Yeah, this is definitely hand rooted. This is a pure work of art.
Somebody Sutton drew this.
Yeah, they did. Back in the days, they drew this. Look at this. Look at the rounded corners here. Okay, there's no problem with any high frequency.
Oh, then you go to the backside, yeah. Heathkit. It could be a Heathkit. I'd imagine this from 78 or whatever was probably quite an expensive bit of kit.
Oh, for sure. And this will be all, look at this, this goes all to the display. All these 70 something go all to the display.
Yeah. So what we need to do is to arrange to get some power onto this, don't we?
I think we do.
Should we power it up, guys? Oh, did they sign it? It says Van
Gogh?
Yeah, something like that. P103.
Okay, that doesn't say anything.
No, I don't see any signature on
Look at
this side.
here. Fancy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, some factory botch jobs.
Yeah. Like added later.
Yeah.
Okay. So Carlos unscrews us back, and then we're going to ask Carlos a really important question.
Okay. What did we do?
Well, we decided we might power it up.
Okay.
It's from around 1978.
Okay. That's not bad.
So
So he was right.
the question is, right?
Mm-hmm.
The question is, were these cut off wires here, right?
Yeah.
Question one: what's the safest way? What's the safest way of powering it up? Yeah.
Do we have one of
Yeah.
the white
Yeah.
cubes?
And question two: which way we're gonna do it?
Give me some alligator clips. I've taken my medicine, so I don't know if that's a good idea. Maybe. But,
Oh, I like the make of that big capacitor. Can you see this on the camera, Ted? They won't. The make of this big capacitor.
Trobo.
Trobo.
Oh, no.
Turbo.
I see Trobo.
It's not,
Never heard this.
it's not bulged.
It's no, the caps look fine here.
Yeah.
All
Well,
the electrolytes looks fine.
Did you see where the burn mark was?
Oh.
Under what? This.
Where was the burn mark?
I think it was over here.
Well,
The underside.
So that's the top
Yeah,
bit.
this looks like
Yeah,
a
no, not
bit
this
running
one.
hot. This
Oh,
one.
where have we put? Oh, they see it. Well, strangely enough, that burn mark look on the other side of the thing.
There's nothing.
There's nothing.
Okay,
Alright.
so that was
So
a-
the inside of the case doesn't have any burn marks.
Okay, so
This came from the outside.
this is candle wax.
All right.
Or some other crap that's burnt off.
Very romantic having a frequency counter as a rendezvous.
Anybody remember wax paper capacitors?
What?
Wax paper capacitors.
Yeah, I've seen.
They were made of wax paper.
Yeah.
Capacitors like tin foil with wax
Yeah, and they
paper.
roll them up.
And roll them up. They're like, yeah, they roll these and then they smoke them.
Yeah, no, but you can roll them up and put them in a canister.
You could also smoke them quite well as well. Just pass a bit of colour.
That could probably be done, yeah.
Okay, so this has a linear transformer.
Yeah,
So the mains goes about as far as there.
yeah. So it's not that dangerous.
No. Well, under normal
Can't
circumstances.
we simply grab a second
Under
cable and do this
Yeah.
the right way?
Yeah,
Okay.
There are children watching.
Yeah, okay.
Somewhere.
Okay.
yeah.
Are there children watching?
Probably not.
Is that pin there loose?
Yeah, yeah.
No or no?
No, they're firmly.
Okay, that'd be fine.
Emblem, mimeograph copy and a hot iron to transfer the pattern. Do you mean this for if you want to duplicate the PCB?
Yeah, that would actually work. Good idea.
Yeah, I think so.
Ah,
Yeah, this Paul, this is the thing that I'm thinking here. This is a lot of power for a simple frequency counter. Yeah.
yeah. The heat sink is brutally big. This weighs more than the entire
Yeah.
thing. Okay,
My
no.
romantic technique needs to
I
brush
guess.
up. Doesn't everybody use a frequency counter? Whooping, then can't read this because scrolling issues here.
How about if we take one of these
Yeah, exactly. What I
and we
want.
cut this off this end of it
Yeah.
and we solder
Cut?
it?
No cutting. Ah, crap! It's not one of the cubes.
Yes, cutting.
Yeah, cutting. You don't have any screw terminals.
No, I'm out of those.
You sure?
That you can't count as fast. Come on.
It doesn't need to be screw terminals for both sides, just from one side.
No, I don't have any cut-offs.
God damn it.
But what we do have is heat shrink and a soldering iron.
Yeah, that works. Heat shrink is actually not necessary unless someone wants to touch it.
Why don't you just unsolder that bit of wire from the 2 pins on the board?
Okay.
Or
That's what I would do.
Or can we even get
Soldering
down
iron,
there?
please.
No, but can we even get down there?
Perfect.
How awkward is it?
I can't get in
TS
there.
101. I think you want to have this.
Soldering the new wires will be a little bit of a pain, I guess, man.
Well, it's up to you. That was you, the man doing doing the job. So what
You're
do
the
you think?
one, the guy screwing up here.
Yeah.
No, I will have some issues getting
Okay.
the wires.
Do it
on.
your way.
Yeah.
Can you get me the little lightning thing?
He who says it cannot be done should never interrupt the one that's doing it.
Oh my god.
There we go.
Should I
I
run?
would. Yeah. Oh, that just hurt. There we go. So first pre-tin, especially when they looked oxidized like this.
Would you like some flux?
Yes, please.
Loads of it, yeah.
Yeah, as much as you can give me.
You need any solder?
Yep.
So the thing in the, you want to have a soldering iron, right?
Yeah.
We want the solder. We want the flux.
Soldering iron. The solder here is way too thin for this.
Oh, and I think you need USB-C for that. This isn't the battery-powered one. Oh. Doink.
Thank you.
Which is this? Well, this is the TS 101.
Yeah.
Is this miniware?
This is Miniware.
Miniware, yeah.
Okay.
Miniware is good.
It's heating up. They're so fast. Okay. Solder. Flux.
Count your fingers. What, multiply them by the multiplier, like kilohertz or megahertz or.
Just to get it into the wire.
Oh, I know how you can do this better.
Oh,
With those funny things that I've got.
funny things. Okay.
These funny things. Oh yeah, I know.
I
This is a good idea.
I don't have a clue.
Yeah. Where's that?
Isn't this hot enough?
What do you see? What do you see on the one? Oh yeah, this is going down.
Here you go.
250.
Those funny things.
Now, now it's going. Oh,
Okay, we all getting cancer. Oh my god.
it has burnt plastic on
Yeah,
it.
this is burnt plastic, not even PVC.
No, you may as well carry on the way you're going now. I mean, these were the funny things I meant, but.
Yeah, they will work.
We have to use them, I think. Remember.
Yeah.
Can't remember for what, but yeah, you guys should be happy that you don't that there's no smell transfer on these
Yeah,
cameras.
smell-o-vision.
Smelly vision.
Yeah,
It doesn't smell fishy at least.
just smells like cancer.
Yeah. Some electrolytic caps smell like rotten fish.
Okay, great, good to know. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Old video games have them, especially the.
I can tell you one
Game
of the
Gear.
worst things for smelling on old equipment is selenium rectifiers. If they burn.
Ooh, okay.
Selenium.
Selenium rectifiers, they really smell funny.
This is horrible.
Can I?
Believe me, you want smelly vision when I'm around, guys.
So, get rid of that. Okay. Yeah. No expense pair here. All this technical stuff, yeah.
Barbecue in the garden, embedded hobbyist. Man, we're not invited.
Yeah, we're going to make a barbecue stream for my garden. Don't worry. Or make you envious, guys.
Yeah, in the winter when
Yeah.
everybody else is freezing.
November or January.
We're sitting there in shorts.
Sitting there in shorts doing it.
I will leave the pool up so we can lie in the pool while we're streaming. I get electrocuted at the same time because we're probably going to do something with electricity.
Probably.
Yeah.
So.
I'm not melting anything, right? It smells like I'm melting something.
No, this is only 320, so
Yeah, that's fine.
this is really cold.
Can I suggest something?
Yeah,
You put the heat shrink stuff on before you solder it.
could
See?
be a good idea.
Yes, yes, a professional.
Yeah, put the heat shrink stuff
Believe
on
me,
before you
yeah.
solder it.
Believe me, that helps.
We all been there. Yeah, we all been there.
I shouldn't have done that. I should have let him do it first, shouldn't I? I said, "Hey, you forgot the heat shrink."
And then I would let it be, and this should be without.
That'd be
I
insulting.
pop over to you as when I get to cold to have one here. Well, my friend, come over. Yeah,
Yeah, you're invited.
The island is nice every time of year.
Yeah. It's crazy at certain times of year.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
it's
we get
really
you,
hot
and we
here.
get you on the live stream here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
If you come to visit,
Yeah,
come
everybody's invited over there.
Yeah. And there are some nice places to visit over here.
Yeah.
That's true.
And if you want being picked up from the airport, just give us a shout.
Yeah, we can.
We can come and pick you up.
I can manage.
We might even take you back.
Depends.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
No. You don't. You want to go through the housing first.
Yes, with the whole.
Okay. He wants to actually use it. Okay, fine.
Yeah, come on. If we do this, we do this right.
Hey,
Okay, fine. If he wants to use it, fine.
Can you recommend a good bed and breakfast? Well, if you really want to come over, let us know, and we'll figure something out. There are some private possibilities here.
Yeah, your best bet. Yeah, we know lots of people would rent it or rent you an apartment or.
Yeah.
And it's a lot cheaper than the hotels
I
and
want
a
to
lot
come
better.
to swap meats and carpool team. Yeah, Paul, come over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Swap.
Just like my old job, which is 1 worker, 2 supervisors. Come on, I'm working here
Come
too.
on.
Yeah.
Would you like a grommet of some sort?
Look at this beautiful
have one?
lightning here.
Yeah, we have a selection of grommets. Look.
Jesus. I don't have a single one at home.
Grommet time.
Yeah, come on, get through you piece of yeah, there we go.
I bet you can buy from AliExpress like a whole pack of.
Yeah, you can.
grommets.
Probably. Okay, let's see.
Another booty.
This
Man,
one.
watch the Gran Canaria Uncovered.
And
Oh,
and all the booty on
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Watch Gran Canaria Uncovered. There are some reasons to get over here. Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
There are a lot of.
What did Tanner say when he came over from Houston?
Oh man, what's the scientific
What was
term?
his technical term? Man, this place is full of hot ass brown chicks.
This was a term. Yeah, this was a term.
Yeah, hot ass brown. He says, and then you got the tourist girls on top. Says, yeah, pretty much.
He's right.
Hot ass brown chicks everywhere.
Rory,
Let's go through
hey,
the
my
hole.
friend. Canada's here too.
This grommet is a little too big.
We have a smaller grommet.
If I had some Vaseline, maybe.
How will that work?
Yeah. If I can get the wires through, yeah. Otherwise, no.
I need to get the camera a bit more down here.
No, this grommet is too small for the wires.
Okay, now people.
So something in between those two.
The grommets are overrated.
Yeah, I think so. Nope, they're actually.
Well, those ones you have to pierce them.
Yeah. Let's see.
You have to cut them. I'm not even sure they were meant to be grommets. Those, but I've used them as such.
Yeah, no, this won't work.
Okay, grommets are overrated.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no
grommets are
grommets.
overrated. Oh, maybe I don't want to burn this.
And then heat shrink tubing back on. Or when did I leave that?
Oh yeah. It might be nice to use this. I'd be interested to see Unfortunately, they are single generators in bits, so we can't.
Yeah,
We
just-
have this
we can't
dismantled
we mostly disassembled this one.
at the moment.
Yeah.
Oh no, I have my single generator. It goes up to 10 megahertz.
Your normal one, yeah. Oh, we can try to connect the wires really fast.
Oh, like
Don't have a microcontroller here. There's an Uno somewhere here. There's an Uno.
Uh-huh.
But I don't have any programming environment handy. No, this won't fly.
Man, get in there. God damn it. I need more solid. Yeah, that works. I'm killing that level.
Oh.
Dying here.
Yeah, I've noticed the air conditioner is blowing the.
Yeah.
The smoke right onto that left, yeah.
Well, how warm is it at the moment?
It isn't that warm today. It's only 26.
Only. It was 42 yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was very warm.
Whoa.
Yeah. I had to go out for a bit. I almost died.
That's the ambient temperature in the workshop at the moment.
Oh, don't flow this. Just
There.
That's in the workshop. That's in the workshop at
With
the
an
moment.
air conditioner.
With the air conditioning on.
all right.
30 degrees.
That's fine. I was listening to my.
There we
We
go.
hadn't smoked it. Yeah, we are Dutch. I tell you.
Yeah, I'm not going to complain about the weather.
No.
Poor guys in Sweden and Germany.
Oh yeah.
True.
I didn't watch it when the Olympics started. This was raining.
Oh, it was raining. It was seriously raining. I
Olympics?
watched about 20 minutes of it, and it was really. It was.
Olympics?
Yeah.
I missed that.
Yeah, there's some Olympics on. Actually, can we just talk about Olympics, because this is probably going to offend somebody. But you know,
No,
really?
no, but you know what? Like with the Olympics, after the Olympics, they have like Paralympics.
The Paralympics.
All the cripples and disabled people can have a go.
Yeah, you're upsetting people now.
Yeah, no, the point is, am I the only person who thinks we should have a gay Olympics?
Yeah,
Because, I mean,
I agree.
you do that shot putting, it's heavy. I mean, we should have a gay Olympics. We should have a gay Olympics.
But at least fun to watch, and it would probably be based on Gran Canaria.
It'd be hilarious.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Why?
and they could.
Get this guy a lighter or something.
Well, we have a heat gun just up there.
Here, really? Oh, we do. No. Come on, we won't get this out of here.
It's almost done. It's almost done.
All right.
Don't worry.
I do think they should have a gay Olympics. I think it's most unfair
Yeah.
to have a gay Olympics.
But, considering
I
the
mean-
trans community is getting into the women's Olympics, maybe they should put a new category.
Yeah, but
This is probably what's happening next. Yeah.
as well as the shot putting. Oh, I mean,
Yeah,
you
I
can
can
imagine
see
like the
that.
relay race, and they come along and they get the next thing, give them the stick and go, oh, where are you going to put that? It's like,
Yeah, we're going to offend someone.
I'm sorry, but okay,
100% sure now.
where were you going to put that?
When haven't we offended someone?
Somebody like pole vaulting, yeah. Oh dear.
Yeah.
No
yeah.
political correctness here.
No,
guys.
nobody expects this.
So don't worry.
Like the Spanish Inquisition, nobody expected that.
So,
Okay.
here we go.
I still don't like these
What they like?
pins.
What's not to like?
No.
What's not? Yeah, what's not to like?
The design inside. So the
Okay, I
pins.
haven't shown this to people.
What's not to
So-
like?
Give me some light in there.
If one of the wires bends, you pull too
Hot
hard.
dog eating.
You practically shorten. If you pull the wires, let's say, and you bend the pin inside,
Oh crap!
they will touch each other. So the
Whoa.
design is shit.
No, this was a connector.
Yeah, well,
These are not the original leads on the.
God damn it!
What?
What?
That connector. I think
That one we
would-
just cut
Yeah,
off.
the one you could have.
I think
could,
that
have
was-
could have worked. Yeah.
I was going to say to you at the time, leave the leads a little bit longer on that, but I didn't.
Oh well, too late.
Well, you guys, you know the drill. If we suddenly disconnect and nobody's streaming anymore, then the fuse blow.
Yep.
Yeah. So
And
yeah,
we probably did.
M Blair, yes, frequency counter from a car boot sale, €20.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Oh. I'll have to go around the other side of the bench to plug this in.
It was nice to meeting you all.
Well,
Bye.
it's
Yeah,
got.
bye.
Is there an on-off switch on the thing itself?
No.
No.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there is. There's one on front.
Hang on.
And it's metal. So.
Yeah.
Okay, shall I plug this in?
Yeah. Plug it in.
Let's go.
No bang.
No bang. But the power is off.
Yeah.
Switch
No
is
no smells, but it's.
Okay,
It,
nothing banging now. Woo,
it turns on.
It turns on.
Still no smoke.
Okay. So, there we go. Turns on.
I know Dutch is now very, very sad.
Where's the light bulb limiter? Light bulb limiters are overrated. They're for wussies.
Okay, so it detects the shift from
Okay.
kilohertz to megahertz. That's good. The point just moves. Awesome.
It's all gone dark here.
Okay, and I didn't get the shock from the metal working, so that means it's not gone.
All right.
Good. It works.
I have my signal generator, which is up to 10 megahertz.
With the little thing you can
We
put
need
out.
that BNC,
The
yeah.
little thing can put out some signals.
Up to
I
what?
think. I don't know. Kilohertz is.
Yeah, but considering the note on it, megahertz, 65
Yeah, well,
megahertz
we
up.
probably will see anything, something.
Yeah, maybe.
Guess.
I can, if we have a USB, like the little funny square connectors there, like what type you put on the
So
printer.
positive goes in the middle, right?
Which we try this one.
Okay, we try this one.
Okay. I'll hold them in place. You.
I can hold them in place.
There's an off button somewhere. Oh.
Okay. So let's see.
You need to turn the big thing.
Oh, the big knob.
Okay.
Ah.
What was in your beer, man?
Okay. And how do I go to
I think
frequency?
you hold the red button. I think.
I'm in resistance. Do I need to go to some more special?
Oh yeah, you need to set it to volt,
Volts. Okay.
and then you hold the thing.
And okay.
I thought this was just a scope meter, this one, no? Signal
No.
generator?
Yeah. The
What?
wave frequency.
Okay.
So wave is here. Right?
Yeah.
Let's go for square wave works fine for this especially.
Yeah.
Frequency. Let's go up a bit.
What's the highest?
50 kilohertz.
That's too low for this.
Yeah.
We can show 50 kilohertz on this one.
Yeah, it should be possible if it's working
Yeah.
correctly. It's 10 hertz.
Yeah, can you switch? Can you switch? Cause I can't move my hands here.
Yeah. Let's see. 10 hertz to 60 megahertz.
Okay.
And kilohertz.
Kilohertz, yeah, perfect.
Impedance 50. Yeah, that should be fine.
No, get us to 1 meg.
1 meg.
Yeah.
There we go. Then we exit.
Do you need to switch it on somewhere?
Yeah.
Out?
Output on.
Okay, output is on. Okay.
Duty cycle. Yeah, 50%.
That doesn't matter. Shouldn't matter.
No.
You want a high frequency, Conway?
3 volts per division. No, per point. Well, it looks like it's maxed out.
I'll try. Can we, for example?
So this one is broken, and then the right.
Oh,
What?
that's something.
Okay, so in the megahertz range, it's actually showing 150 megahertz.
That's a lot for.
What's it saying?
250 to 150.
150, 250, 300.
That's megahertz, by the way.
Oh. You see, that's not kilohertz.
No, that's mega. No, wait, we are in the mega.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
What
but
did you say?
kilohertz.
What did you say as frequency?
50 kilohertz. So that's not correct at all.
No.
Could it be the oxidation on that shit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's about half of what it should be.
Give me a sec. Hey.
Look at this. I can disconnect the ground, and it's still this
Yeah, and then now it's showing correctly.
attenuation. No, it doesn't do anything.
No ground. It works.
All right. If we remove everything here,
It is
Okay, it
actually
dies. Yeah,
it is measuring something.
Try this. This just runs from a USB.
yeah.
Power bank.
Use the power bank from the oscilloscope.
From here.
What? Okay, it has clips.
You guys are still okay with the shaky cam? I'm sorry for this. But this is the best way to show this. If it would go to the overhead, that wouldn't fly.
This one will be held.
I think I have a best way to do that. Stick a resistor leg or something down the hole in the middle of the BNC.
That's fine.
Carlos has a man with a plan. You know, Carlos screws and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stupid alligator clips. God damn it. There we go.
So I'll set the signal generator what, to 10
You
megahertz?
can connect the ground to the knob, to the pin over here.
Yeah, I am trying. Someone's pulling on.
That's not nice.
I'm going to set this to 10 megahertz.
Sorry, what did I see here? Oh, it's Carlos' arm.
Yeah, so let's put it to megahertz. No? So much rust. There we go.
What are you outputting?
10 megahertz,
10
I think.
No, it's not.
I'm outputting 10,000 kilohertz.
There. 10, 12, 14.
So it's not very, yeah, so it's
That's due to the rust on the connector. I'm pretty sure. Look.
No, I think this is just
well,
a frequency problem in there.
can we connect a scope probe and clip onto that? In fact, no, yeah, Carlos, look, make life easier for you.
Oh, BNC.
Oh,
A BNC,
fancy.
Yeah. So put the BNC onto the signal frequency counter.
Then we should get the most stable connection possible.
Yeah,
Okay, perfect.
we do it that way. And see if that actually works. Wrong impedance. Oh, flip the impedance switch.
Oh yeah, you can be right about that. 1 meg is way too much, probably.
How much power does it use?
That's a good question.
How warm is the heatsink?
There's some heat, but not a lot.
Okay, so that's with 10.
We get 18, so impedance down. Nothing there.
No,
Attenuation doesn't change a shit. Kilohertz. Yeah, it's over. Okay. So no, it is
It's reading about double what it should do.
10. Okay. So
Oh!
up to
Oh,
60.
10.00.
up
Oh.
to 60. That's why you have that range. That's
That's absolutely accurate.
That's
That's
really
really
spot on.
that's,
Wow.
I didn't expect that.
Remember, this thing is from 1978 or something.
Okay,
So,
so put in a
So
random.
So if you see now, look, it's at 10. And that's at 10.
How do you put in a random frequency?
Right, okay, well.
I screwed it up.
Yeah, this is for professional use only.
it's measuring from the 70s.
Well,
so
that
it
should be
takes a while for
that's
the
8
signal to reach you.
megahertz, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
switch.
And then if you
immediately.
want to go across to some weird
Okay.
amount, like 801,
Exactly what I want to see.
so that should be 801.
Yep.
00.
Yeah, follows.
80,
Okay, it's
Follows
really accurate.
spot on.
Okay, so go down to the range he said didn't work. Let's say 10 hertz. It's the lowest it can go.
You want to chill us down into the hertz? Okay, let's go down.
So that's the lowest this machine goes, according to the sign right there. So I have to switch to kilohertz.
Okay, it's on 0 at the moment on here. Let me just put some frequency in. So kilohertz, yeah.
10 hertz.
Okay, well I'm in kilohertz. That's 10 kilohertz.
Yep.
Bang
Wow.
on. So you want to go down to say 1 kilohertz, and then we keep going down, yeah.
Try.
Okay, so let's just.
Leave for a birthday party. Good to see you working there.
That's
See you
11.
all later. Chris,
Yep.
have fun at the birthday party.
That's 11. So this will be down to 1 now. No, it's on 0.
Yeah.
So
So kilohertz, 100 hertz. Yeah, that's 100.
100 hertz.
All right, it's bugging out there.
Yeah. So the lower you go, the more problems it has.
Yeah.
That's about 1 kilohertz jumping up.
Yeah.
But it is a sine wave, so it could be because of that.
Try
It settled down. It didn't.
no.
Try
It did actually settle in occasionally.
try a square wave, just to make it easier for them.
Wave. Square.
Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
In the sine wave was.
Right, it didn't like the sine wave.
Yeah, the sine wave at lower frequencies can overlap. Depends on how the electronics work.
That signal frequency counter is working really well.
So let's go down to the 10.
Okay, so what you do is
You button first. First 0 there.
this takes you to 0. I do it on duty cycle now. I have to press the other button, which is triangle, sine, square. Hit that again now.
No, that doesn't work.
Square, okay. Press OK to go for that.
No.
Dutch, I would say the same. Some bad caps and some logic chips problems, but it's stable.
It's stable
Yeah, this is
on
crazy,
square
yeah.
wave.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how to change it now. Switch it off and back on again.
Yeah. That works.
That's where that works.
And you want to see if it
So
can...
that's now on 10 kilohertz.
Yeah, and it is on 10 kilohertz. Spot on.
It's absolutely spot on this, yeah?
Yeah.
10 kilohertz.
Change the wave to square first. Or do that after.
Okay. So you want me to go down to some lower frequencies?
Yeah, 10 hertz. That's the lowest this goes. Let's see, isn't that 10 over there?
So this is point. This is 100.
100 and then 10 should be the second one.
That one, yeah?
I don't think it will go down to single digit hertz.
Okay, and then we go back up into the that one and set it to 0.
Yep. Okay, and oh yeah, and then change the waveform to
Square.
Oh,
10.
it actually can.
Wow. Hello, can you go? Indeed, yeah.
Yeah,
Well, that
some
says it's
limbo
the,
music.
that says it's the limit for the
for the spec.
spec.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's working really
So
well.
the note on it is wrong. He didn't have the right equipment to test it.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Maybe, yeah, could be.
Because we had to change to square wave to make it
Yeah.
work.
Unfortunately, this generator only goes to 10 megahertz, and the RF generator is in bits at the moment because we're working on it.
Yeah.
But
We can assume that it works better on higher frequencies. Oh, is it that sensitive? Yes, it is. Look.
This is probably why you need a proper grounding for the shielding.
oh yeah, you touched that. Yeah, you just touched
No,
it.
but that's plastic.
Oh.
So it's the shaking. It's actually the shaking that makes it. So there's a broken solder joint somewhere.
I don't think so. I think this is pretty fine, and this is just
Yeah, it's normal kinks of the system. It works great.
Lily, stop using the drill.
God damn it! Now the drill is closer. Sorry, guys.
Okay, so that's a pretty impressive bit of kit for €20.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not touching the cap. I don't want to kill myself. Okay, can you unplug it, please?
I think that's actually useful.
Yeah.
On the rating of crap or not crap for €20, that's pretty impressive.
But couldn't cheap multimeter do that anyway?
Not in the range.
Not in the range. This goes up to 500
Oh yeah,
megahertz.
500
No.
megahertz are really high, actually. Yeah, no, you're right. This goes up to how many megahertz?
10. I mean, most multimeters that will read frequency only
Yeah.
read up to maybe 10.
This only measures frequency duty cycle. The percentage.
It could be a dry or crack joint.
Yes. This happens if you left Carlos with a soldering iron.
That wasn't my fault. I didn't have anything else to shrink it with.
There's hot air up there, I told you guys.
Yeah, it
Can you
was
hand me the
too
little
late.
box for the TS100?
Yeah,
The little box over there.
I can clean it if you
Okay,
Yeah, that one.
I'll just clear the signal generator off the bench.
Yeah, and I need the covers for this so I can put it back together with the wood screw.
And the next section, Carlos screws.
Yeah. Where are the box sections? Oh, you have them over here.
I have them over here somewhere.
Somewhere, yeah.
Oh, well, they're here. The lids. The
Yeah.
cover. Okay, unplug this one. I'm surprised how well that actually worked.
Yeah, as long as you have a square wave.
This thing is about 10 years younger than me, so and it still works pretty neat.
Yeah.
No, other way around.
Yeah,
That's
all the
okay.
way around. Yeah.
Yeah, I actually didn't expect that to work as well as that at all. I really didn't.
Well, I was going for two ways. One's
Explosion.
no work, no life sign at all, or simply working. That would be would have been my
Yeah.
guess.
No explosions, you think?
No,
No.
no.
Considering the size of the power supply, it can actually explode.
Yeah. There's some current involved. There's some current involved.
It has some nice juice in it.
Yeah. Oh, 20 of funny money. Because it's euros, funny money.
Funny money, yeah.
Yeah. That is correct. Funny money.
Considering what these usually cost new,
It'd be interesting to know how much that was worth.
a lot.
Has anybody got one of these for sale on eBay, just out of interest? Okay, anybody have a quick look?
Trio. What was the name of the thing?
Trio FC756.
FC756. Shall we look or should we ask the swarm?
756.
Yeah.
Yeah, result, Paul, I agree, result there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one, Trio FC.
I typed it.
I can see that with a big yellow, yeah. I noticed that afterwards.
Just
Yeah.
I was getting to that. Hindsight.
There's something nice about this old test equipment though.
There are YouTubers that especially collect these things, so yeah.
Yeah.
don't say.
Oh,
Mr.
that's
Cobb.
what these are for, wrapping the wire around.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
it
true.
is.
These things that you thought were feet.
Yeah, and don't you guys mention Mr. Carlson again? We're still kind of in contact with him.
No, we've tried.
I'm just putting everything together nicely for
I
Rich.
see.
Maybe Mr. Colson is just AI. Maybe there isn't
Oh,
one.
this could be, yeah.
It's so the weird part is it's so possible now. It's so easy to make an AI channel.
you can't get out. You can't.
I made a lot of cool songs on AI. I sent one over to you.
Yeah, you did. Oh, the songs you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was playing around with Suno 4 before that, and
Yeah, it
Yeah.
got really good at version 3.
yeah.
There we go. Here we go, Rich.
Okay, yeah. So, guys, €20, not crap.
Yeah, no, I
Definitely
agree.
not crap. Yeah.
Agreed,
Yeah.
especially for 500 megahertz measuring.
Yeah. So when we get the signal generator put together, we'll test the high frequency range.
Yeah. God damn it.
Yep.
Stupid.
Carlos, your daughter is really annoying to me.
Yeah, she's holding a power drill, probably.
This one's going back in its box there, definitely.
Yeah, this doesn't have a box anymore, but it lives somewhere on the
Okay, question time.
Yeah.
Anybody got any interesting questions?
Oh, not much. You look up on the car booty was a weekend, Richard. Watch this morning. I was lucky. I bought a Roland E-piano for $70.
70.
Yeah, $70 for 76
Not bad.
keys. Yeah, and
Yeah.
it's really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, Robert Waterford. Yeah, so that video I put on today. So basically, one of the motherboards got a 40 SIO. It gets really hot on standby.
You can't do much about that.
Not SIO, sorry, Southbridge. Yeah, you
Yeah.
can't do anything about that really.
As long as you don't have a spare board or something.
Yeah.
Aren't the SIOs married to the boards now in your motherboards?
Probably not on these old ones.
Yeah, on the
And,
new
and
ones,
that's
I
not
think they are.
SIOs, that's ECs they call them,
Yeah.
laptops.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's the
They
chip
call them
I'm
an EC now. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, this has a Southbridge gets really, really hot.
Yeah, I got a computer from someone that wanted me to fix one, and it had melted around that chip. Everything had melted, so no, it's not fixable.
No,
I won't redraw. Let's see, how many traces were there? Like 100 or so.
I mean, you could ask Rich for a board.
Yeah.
That's the so this is the one that I couldn't do anything with. And this chip is like at 70, 80 degrees.
Well,
It actually powers up, which really surprised me. So
It does.
it's about 40 odd degrees when you just connect it is in standby, and when you press start, this goes up to about 70, 80.
okay.
So
But shouldn't another component get really hot at the same time?
That shouldn't get that hot, and it certainly shouldn't be 40 odd degrees
Yeah,
in
no, but
standby.
if this is faulty, some other component.
Robert
has
says,
come
I want to
power.
get the same thermal camera multimeter. You still have this, right?
Yeah. So This was great.
No good chip either on. So unfortunately, no good CPU.
Yeah, this is tool top again. So tool top 13
ET13.
ET13S.
Yeah,
I had a discount code on these. They were quite.
popular.
Yeah, how much are those things?
Not very expensive.
Can we go on to my?
I can give you the thing there.
Yeah, and I can go on to here. So just go into AliExpress, I guess.
Yeah.
And let's have a look. See how much these are now. This is a great little thing. I mean, I actually have. What's that doing?
He actually uses.
What's going on there?
I have no idea. It's simply
It's not happening here. It's not happening on this screen.
interesting.
It was the encoding failed somehow.
ET13.
About 100 pounds. Yeah. Okay.
What was it called? ET13.
S.
No, they're more than that, surely. Yeah, 143 euros. Yeah.
Yeah, and the dollars. So that's actually.
That's dollars.
Yeah, so it's actually 120-ish. With the canary reduction, we get 100.
Well, I can change it. If I just go to euro.
Yeah.
If I just go to funny money.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we get a discount here in Canarias. So.
We do. We
don't
do.
have
ET13S.
ET13S. Yeah, 131 euros.
Yeah, and with a discount of 22% for us.
With free shipping, yeah. So we get 21% off that because we're on the Canary
We don't
Islands.
play tax. On that.
Actually, no, this is it before tax. This is actually showing me before tax because I have my country set USA. So that's what we would pay, 131.
Yeah, that's good.
Like in Germany or Sweden, you pay about 20% more.
Yeah.
because of the VAT.
So 20% more should be 150-ish odd.
Yeah. So for 131 euros, I mean, that is really.
It has a lot of stuff.
Or even 150 if you pay.
Yeah, it has a lot of stuff going for it.
The only thing this doesn't have is it has no current range.
Yeah, true. And it has a macro lens. Paul just says it has a
Yeah,
macro lens.
this has the macro lens on it.
Yeah, so it's not good for camping.
It works quite well without it, so yeah.
Paul says he got one.
And what do you think of it, Paul? I bet he likes it.
Get the macro lens, yeah. Yeah, I agree.
Carthor! Evening, my friend.
Hi, Carter. Yeah, no Unreal Tournament yet. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, for some reason they're all coming up without the macro lens. The macro lens was about 20 euros more.
Can't you yet select the other tool there? There's a second selection.
That one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With macro lens, 145.
Yeah.
So 10 euros more.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
It's a 192 by 192. It really is a great little tool. It's fantastic.
It's the same thermal camera as the Blackview phone I have.
That's a low resolution.
No, it's the same.
Okay.
But this is higher frame rate.
This is 25
But
hertz.
this has a macro included in the actual lens. So depends on what you need.
Can we
But
go back to it?
this is a lot cheaper though. So if you need a thermal camera, why not get a multimeter with it?
Yeah.
Not much. Because thermal cameras are expensive. So this is actually cheaper than a thermal camera.
The most, yeah.
Yeah, the most. There
Yeah.
are a few
You know?
clip on.
You know?
It's quite fast.
It's 25 hertz.
Yeah. It's the same as the phone, actually. Yeah, no. Let's see how good retention is.
Oh, I used to check food temperatures and therefore I won't buy it. Looks like a nice device, but no. Yeah, no current puts you off. I know that does, but to be honest, I don't think you'll find any multimeter that does everything. Yeah, 137 with the lens. Warwick Byrne bought one.
Yeah. So this works.
Okay, Robert, yeah, okay, so I also have the P2 Pro, and I would say in actual fact the P2 Pro is actually a little bit better, the camera, but this is far better value for money.
Yeah. So it's the same.
Because the P2 Pro I have to connect it to my phone.
Yeah, exactly. And you need a decent enough phone.
Let's
for it.
make it look in there, guys.
If you're buying a thermal camera, don't buy Fleur. Fleur user here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm so frustrated. I see
Overrated.
these little gadgets here and I think, why did I pay so much money for this?
Yeah, overrated. This has a flare camera inside. And they are overrated,
Yeah.
pretty much, because they're not better than the other
No,
ones.
they aren't.
And they cost like 5 times more.
Let me just see. So I have the P2 Pro here,
Yeah.
which I think I have the software on this phone.
Yeah, Robert, Fleur is way too expensive, right?
There we
This
go.
this is flare, right?
No, this is a
No.
this is a P2 Pro. This is infrared
Ah, infrared.
with the macro lens on. So if we
You
get
have to get really close. Okay, perfect. It's sees heat sources. I'm just going to see retention.
let me just get the camera set up one moment.
Yeah, so it's blurry from, let's say, 2 centimeters away, 3.
Yeah,
Then if you get close, it gets really, really good.
yeah. But you can take the macro lens off. It just unclips the front piece. Oh, that takes that.
Okay, yeah. That's useful. Okay, let's heat up something with my finger.
Yeah, I would say this is the better thermal camera, but the other one's a far better value for money. And you see, I use the one on my videos because I just grab it. I don't have to put it into the mobile
And
phone.
it has the different palettes. I don't like the puke green normally.
Okay.
Yeah, that one seems better. Yeah, no, this is really nice bit of kit. What does this cost? About 200.
The P2 Pro.
Sorry.
Probably.
No, it's fine.
P2
It's
Pro.
quite quick though.
224.
Yeah, so
About 70 more.
you need a phone.
How do you need a fairly decent phone to work
Yeah,
on?
I think it's without the macro lens for
That-
224.
Yeah, okay, so let's find with the macro lens.
Set macro there, 263.
263, so almost 100 more.
Yeah, then the
Yeah, thanks, Robert. Yeah, thank you. That's my honest opinion. So yeah, that little tool top meter is just fantastic value for money.
Gordon says who gets the taxes when AliExpress sends to the UK? I guess the British government?
Probably the British government.
Yeah.
I'm sure the British
yeah,
government.
and they do the tax. AliExpress does the taxing from their side. So
From their side, but in the Canary Islands,
We're tax-free.
We're tax free. So because we classed as Spain, when we see the price on AliExpress, we see it says includes
Yeah.
IVA 21%.
Exactly.
But as soon as you go to checkout, it says alteration. It calls it something,
yeah,
and it reduces it by 21%.
yeah, adjustment of price or something.
Yeah.
If translate.
It says adjustment.
Yeah.
And, it's down by 21. Yeah.
So but this is really handy. Yeah. Half an hour. One sec.
What's this?
Okay, kid needs a phone to keep entertained. Her batteries are.
Okay.
Kids. Yay!
Kids.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's like
You like
those adverts they have on the television for washing powder and stuff like that. And at the end it says, always keep away from children. And I think, good advice.
I drink to that. I drink to that.
So now we've offended parents, we've offended gays,
Yeah.
Yep.
we've offended disabled people.
The same. When we did offended disabled people. Oh yeah, right. Paralympics.
Paralympics, yeah.
Okay, we haven't missed a group. Okay, I can think about a few. Oosh.
Okay.
Nah.
So, question time.
All right.
Saying
Ask us
Solid
anything.
Station's rated, it's the best I've owned for the price. Which one, Robert? The T12 or the other one I have?
The one that-
C210.
The one with turbo.
The one with the turbo.
Yeah, that you can smack and get.
Yeah. Yeah. Offend everyone.
Why not?
Why not? I mean, what's wrong with being offended? What's wrong with offending people? It's
Yeah,
like,
it's freedom of speech. I hate this politically correct bullshit. I've always done.
yeah.
I'm the first one with a racist joke at work, so
Exactly.
it's a joke.
It's a joke. It's a joke. It's as simple
I
as
don't
that.
I don't mean it, and often, especially in Sweden, I was the outsider. I was the
You were
Yeah.
the joke.
the immigrant.
You were the joke.
So I made jokes about myself. So and people still
Yeah,
got
these are the best jokes. Yeah, yeah.
people still got
if
pissed
you,
off.
if you don't take
You
yourself
can say that.
seriously. Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
talking about myself. Why not?
Exactly. Do you want to play with these?
Oh.
Super ultra shit. Soldering
So
iron.
this one we've had on the channel before.
Yeah, I managed to solder SMD chips with this.
So now we found an even cheaper one.
Instead of electronic control, it has a screw potentiometer. I've had one of these. I started soldering with one of these, and it was a transparent casing, and it broke in 2 uses.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The controller chip inside just burned out by itself.
I was thinking I could get rid of the camera already.
Yeah.
No, I can't.
Okay, so let's see. I've taken my pills, so I'm drugged down completely. So if I can do it, you can do it.
Do you want some tweezers?
Yeah, please.
Oh, how long's the lead on that?
It's not very long, about a meter. Yeah,
If that.
yeah, almost a meter. If you count the tip of the soldering iron.
Carlos unsoldered the chipset with our ancestor.
Holy crap! Get the chip quick. I don't think I can actually. With the chip quick, I might be able to do it.
Okay, so how long does it take to warm up?
Okay, I'm guessing like my old one, 5 minutes.
This is not a quick heat.
No, it's not. 300 degrees. Let's go up to
Let's give it at least 50, 350.
Yeah, you want at least 350 on that.
Yeah, 350, and you can't trust the temp on this. We can actually check the temp.
True. And there you have a soldering mat.
Oh my
Oh.
god!
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Yeah, luxury.
How long does it take to warm up? About 2 weeks.
Install the soldering iron. Don't worry, this will happen soon.
It will probably
Yeah.
break while it's heating up.
Greg says.
Oh, KSGR, that's the one, yeah.
35. All right.
Yeah, that's the one that I have. That's my T12. I'm thinking that's the one that Robert Westfield meant when he said he got the same one as me.
Okay, so let's try something easy first, and then we go for the. Okay, so it is heating up very slowly
How do you know it's heating up?
because it's
Oh, the smoke coming from
starting
it.
to smoke, and it's covered with that shit that it's usually covered. Wait, let me burn that off. It has some kind of oil from the factory.
Right.
Can you bring something to clean the tip with?
Yeah.
You don't have
Gordon
one.
says, I'm learning more than C++ and I get offended every day. Yeah, my friend, I feel your pain.
Yeah, but oof. C++ is hard to get into.
Yeah.
If you started with it, like I did, okay, I started with basic.
I can program in C. C++ is. I mean, it's just a methodology. It's not
It
really a
has more
language.
pointers and crap.
It's more of a methodology. Yeah, I don't.
Well, it's C++. It's not as horrible as C.
I think C++
C is missing some.
Is just C faffing around.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so I cooled down the entire tip. Just to-
Oh! So you've wiped it on the sponge,
Yeah, and
Oh.
and now the solder's solidified.
yep, pretty much.
That's not good.
No, no, it's not.
GD script sucks too. Guys, if you want to have something,
GD script.
if you want to have something
Yes.
for desktop and development, and you're not keen on using any C language, Pure Basic is a very
Pure Basic is quite nice. I checked it out after you told me.
this is pretty neat.
Come on, melt, you piece of garbage.
Oh yeah,
You killed it already.
You killed it.
No, it's still hot. It's still hot. There we go. Oh, I got the solder off. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, Robert, yeah, the KSG RT12 is just superb. I mean, I've had mine now since 2018 or something maybe, and yeah, excellent. But I'm actually looking at playing around with C245 soldering irons. I've got AliExpress agreed to send me one to play with, and it's also cheap. It's about €60. And it's both C245 and C210 with 2 handles. So when that arrives, let's play with that. Let's see how well that works. It should be more powerful than the T12.
Okay, there we go.
Go on.
More tips on that. The one that came with it.
Yeah, I don't think you can actually change them out. It's the same type of tip that my solder.
I think I have some of those sort of tips from
Yeah.
my old soldering iron.
Yeah.
Will it unsolder?
No, not at 350 at least.
Ooh, well,
Oh,
there you go.
It's going.
There you go. Don't get nervous there.
It's going. It's going. Yeah, I managed.
It managed.
Yeah.
Why are there so many types of soldering iron bits? How do you choose? This is a really good question, Roy.
Okay.
Yeah, me just being the lazy guy and just having a pencil and some of these really cheap irons.
Okay, so there are two types of tips generally. There are a lot more, but ones that have the heating element in them and ones that don't.
Yeah, that's
Pretty much.
basically it.
Yeah, so I would recommend heating element in them because if the heating element breaks on your soldering iron, you have to change the entire element, and it's a pain in the ass. If the heating element is inside the soldering iron, soldering tip, you just change the tip, and you don't need.
Plus, they have a far better heat transfer.
Yep.
I would say, guys, I don't know why there are so many tips or bits, but I would say, honestly, the T12 is a really good all-rounder. The C210 is good for very fine work, but I only use it occasionally. Sorry, the C210 and the C245 should be better than the T12, but I've not had a chance to actually properly try it yet.
Let's do a transistor. Those are generally harder because it has legs on both sides.
The handle stays cooler too. Okay.
Yeah, true.
Okay. Oh, you got to get your pine pencil working again. What's the tip just was broken? Good job, man. Good job.
Yeah, agreed. Very good job if you could do that. Okay, let's see if I can get under there. Okay, and then both of these. Sorry, that.
Not a problem. I'm trying to follow you there.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
I took it off without gripping any pads either.
This looks like the tip is too cold.
Yeah,
Give it more heat.
400 should do it.
Well, it says 60 watts, so there should be enough heat to...
Yeah, but the 30 of the 60 watts goes to the handle.
Oh, okay, you already...
Yeah.
This is only for people with cold hands.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, a lot better. It still works, as long as you have good flux and solder.
Oh yeah, you could drop a little flux on there.
Yeah, I didn't use any flux at all. So this is the hardest it would be.
Yeah.
Okay, so compare that with this. So this is this is the Finersi. Now, Finersi said that this is not compatible with C245. It's like a T245 or something else.
Yeah, they have their own.
But I actually think it is compatible. We're gonna test this live. So do you want to use the BC3 tip or the bent conical?
Bent conical.
Bent conical
sorry,
for
guys.
you.
Yeah, this is hot now. Careful. I burnt myself last time. I'm trying to skip that this time.
Okay, so we'll plug this in.
Yeah. I'll put this over here.
And I'm going to find a proper C245 tip for you.
Okay, first of all, the USB wire with this is massive.
I don't know... Oh, yeah, you got the 100 power supply, okay.
Yeah, it needs a beefy power supply as well.
The power supply came with it as part of the setup.
Press OK, and it's heating up. I like the animation.
I saw this animation and I thought, okay, this is way overboard. Give me a good soldering iron, I don't need this.
It is way over, but that was fast.
Yeah, 300 degrees is still low. Go at least for 320.
Yeah. Oh, I went down. Oh, really? Okay, you can hold it in. Oh, thank God.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sure, why not?
Okay.
Okay, so this tip is a little bit harder for the heat transfer because it's smaller, the contact area. But It should still let me desoldering. Let's take out one of the diodes here. No
What
solder.
temperatures have it set on?
375.
Okay.
Okay, so let's put some fresh solder on. It's not working. There we go. Okay. On the top. Oops.
Is it going to come?
I think so.
I think the other one worked better.
I think it wasn't.
Yeah, actually.
This
Well,
should be much more capable of.
Yeah, I'm going to bump up the, just in case if it's the component. Because the component is a diode now this time.
Okay. What temperature you at? 405.
Yeah, that should be more than enough.
I think you should use a tip. We'll try.
I'd say the same. Yeah, I don't like these tips.
I use them at home and they work fine for my.
Blade tip. I can't work with this either. Going. I'm with Richard here.
Actually,
Going for one of
I-
the big ones.
I didn't like the knife tips until I was forced to try one when I reviewed the soldering iron. This is what it came with, and I rather liked it afterwards.
Yeah, it depends on the use case. Yeah, no, I'm having some difficulties.
Right, try a BC. So that's the.
Okay, so how do I turn this off? Okay.
You hold it.
Unplug the USB connector.
Yeah, no. Ow. It's going down.
Just stand by. So this is the.
Help it along the way.
That's like a BC3 type tip is came with it.
Yeah, okay, so.
Is that switched off now? Switch the soldering iron off.
Yeah,
so-
I thought I did.
Right, now it's switched off.
Yeah.
Now you want a pair of long nose pliers to take the tip out.
Yes, please.
Okay.
It works. Yes.
And then, so this is. Come on. It's switched off.
It's panicking.
Thought you switched that off.
I did. I put in tip. That's the alarm for putting.
Don't put them with your fingers. That'll come on instantly.
Yeah.
And do you want to disconnect the power?
I would simply
Right,
thank
unplug
you.
Sorry.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to try a genuine C245 tip in that soldering iron to see if it actually does work.
Let me see the end. Yeah, it should work.
It looks the same, but
Yeah.
but Finerzi said it doesn't work. With
Maybe
them.
they swapped around positive and negative.
Well, we're gonna.
Oh, that doesn't matter on
No.
a heating
When it
element.
runs, yeah.
So we're going to find out. So this is the Finerzi T245 or whatever they call it. It'll just come up on its own if we leave it alone.
No, it was at 300.
Good thing we don't have the smoke alarm in here too.
What temperature is on now?
400.
Okay, it settles at about 400. Okay.
Yeah. No.
Now try it with that tip. And this is these are the tips I would use.
Yep. Okay, all the solder disappeared. Why? I don't know why. Oh, it's not sticking to the diode.
Flux.
Yeah, probably. I didn't use flux with the other one, so that's why I'm not using it. Can't be that cheapish piece of crap can outperform this.
I think you just picked a much more difficult component to actually unsolder, but it's really struggling.
Yeah, it's not.
Give it a bit more time.
Yeah, you're holding. Yeah, I think he's moving it too rapidly back and forwards.
It doesn't have time to get the heat in the board.
Yeah, pretty much. Probably the ground plane down underneath is really big. Nope, it's not getting it. So flux. That usually helps things along quite nicely. Could be that it has old, because we disolve the components from this a lot.
Copper, yeah, that's what we're thinking. Yeah, big ground plane somewhere.
Big ground plane here somewhere.
This should be able to.
Not enough thermal mass. Yeah, Rory, I think this is what the problem is. So normally in this situation, I would use a hot air to get the whole wood
Yeah.
warm first,
Yeah.
and then come back with the soldering
I
iron.
agreed. I got
It's
it.
got it. It's come off. Okay.
Yeah. So a little flux helps a lot.
Okay. So we'll now switch the soldering iron off again.
Yep. Yoink.
Okay. And so this tip is a genuine fake C245.
A genuine fake.
Yeah, AliExpress. It's not actually
Those contradictions.
JBC branded. It's I2C branded.
This is plastic, right? Okay.
We get onto the microscope. We'll just go to the microscope.
You need to switch the other PC.
Alright, okay, one moment.
Tab. Alt tab.
Alt tab.
Yeah. There we go. You did it by yourself.
I did it by myself. So this one is this.
Wow. The glare on that is.
Yeah, they say there it's a TS2 245.
Yeah.
But this is a generic C245 tip from AliExpress.
Yeah. These are the extra ones you can buy.
Yeah, so you might find it just gets hotter and hotter and hotter until it glows.
Yep. That happened to mine.
So plug that into it. Okay, guys. So this is a generic C245, which apparently is not compatible with. What does it do?
So it probably will do exactly what you said. 400. Okay. It's climbing.
It's climbing.
It's already smoking. Good.
Does it stop?
Yeah, that's the question.
Yeah, it is.
It's slowing down.
It
Work.
stopped.
Okay,
That's right.
Working.
So I actually asked for Nursey what the difference was, and they wouldn't really tell me. I think that their soldering iron does work with genuine C245s. They just don't want to tell you that.
This is a big ground plane. It's transferring the heat quite well.
Yeah.
Not bad. This works. This tip is a little big for this, but come on, there we go. It's off.
Yeah.
So it works. It works quite well actually.
So that's this soldering iron. It's the HS02. I reviewed this, and on my review I said it doesn't work with C245 tips. It does.
It does, yeah. So they said it doesn't, but
They said it doesn't. I think probably for
selling their own.
either for selling their own or for some sort of like hassle they've had from JBC because they say the word C245 is
Oh yeah, it's copyrighted. Okay.
copyrighted or something. So yeah, so this soldering iron does work with C245.
Brett says, I found out that with the tip, just because you set the iron to 350C, it does not mean the tip is at 350C. It could be at 4 or 5.
And you can't measure that with a thermal camera.
No,
but you might be able to with a thermal.
thermal couple. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that could be the case that the actual setup is
one thermocouple. Okay. How hot is it?
$300 and it's showing
30 still going.
Yeah. Yeah, the thermal contact is not great, and we have the AC on. So.
350.
Oh.
About 350, 360. 360.
Yeah, and that's what I would have guessed because the AC is on it. I feel the air coming, so it is hitting the small ball.
Yeah.
So
about 360.
So it's correct. It should be 400. So give or take 20%. Yeah. Because the air conditioning is blowing right at it. It can be the difference between working and not working.
Yeah. So, although the T12 is an excellent soldering iron, I've got a feeling that these will outperform them. C245.
Yeah, this is not bad. This ground plane is really big. It goes around the entire thing. This is what's it called? TCOM board.
Yeah.
So these usually have a very thick ground plane. As you can see.
So
Everything is interconnected as well. So, and it heats up quite nicely actually. So yeah, well, I can agree. This is nice. Okay, let's do this. Let's remove.
right, can we go back over to this screen here?
We can't.
Okay, so AliExpress I've agreed a sponsorship deal with them, so I get a certain amount of money each month.
So you can spend.
I can spend. They give me the money up to a certain amount. So I've ordered one of these. So this has both the C245 with the handle, which is what you've just tried, and the C210. It should be 100 watt. I mean, this one you just tried has a 100 watt PD power supply with it. I'm interested to see at that price whether it really is. So we'll be reviewing that one shortly, next few weeks as soon as it arrives.
That's awesome. Yeah, the more cheap tools available, the better. I don't mind them at all.
Well,
As long as they work.
you see here this says 38 euros, but then it goes to 69 with the tips. There's something different there.
There's 20 euros more for what? No, 30
Uh,
for just the tips. Really?
do you know? I don't know what the difference is. But this only comes with the C210 handle.
Yeah.
The other one comes with both. So that's the one I ordered.
Yeah, that's cheaper. Right?
It has 4.8 stars, so a lot of people like this. So that might become like my upgrade from the T12 after a number of
Yeah,
years.
it looks nice and it has everything and
Yeah,
a cleaning upgrade from the sponge.
And the
I'm
holder.
not a big fan of the sponge.
yeah. So I'm really interested to see whether this has a very good performance or whether the power supply built into it can't provide all the power that the tip should need. And that takes standard C245 and C210. But we do know that. Can we go back to this one now?
Yeah.
We know that this does.
This works.
Yeah, the same.
Almost. Did you get the fret camera for the iron yet? I have no idea what he means with fret camera.
And that's the power supply that came with it.
This is the beefy power supply.
That came with it. But that thing was more expensive. I'll come back to that in a second.
This power supply should cost about 30-40 euros. So, considering the prices right now.
What have we? So that
It's a Fenris branded one, so it's more expensive. As usually the case, branded, expensive.
well, here you see it says 27, but if you go to it,
With the power supply.
with the power supply and everything,
It's a.
it's a similar price. It's slightly more, not.
Is this?
But-
Okay, so my thinking here is a stationary station more useful or a mobile station?
That's a good question, yeah.
So
With the current development, I always go for these things.
yeah, because
I don't want to have some bulky thing standing on my desk.
okay. If
And
you
I
need
can power this from a big power bank from PD.
exactly.
Yeah, but personally, I want to have a proper soldering iron holder on my bench.
Yeah,
So I prefer the bench type.
That's the other side of it.
This
You have the
thing, this
cleaning
thing
and
has a
everything.
nice cover thing. Wait,
Yeah.
show the people. This has a nice cover thing, so you leave your tip on there and simply do that. And
Yeah, and it's metal.
Yeah.
And you can put on the cover wrong. There we go.
I normally have some kitchen tissue line on the desk to clean the tips. So
See, for me, well, you can get. So that's my old Antec.
Yeah, so he uses the sponge.
always use sponges. Yeah.
I don't like the soldering iron lying on the desk all day.
Yeah.
To me, it's just not.
Arthur, totally with you. Yeah. I don't need these bulky things on my desk anymore.
I don't like the sponges, but I do like the metal ball thing.
I'm always thinking you're scratching the coating from the chips.
Considering it hasn't happened yet, and I have the cheapest piece of shit you can buy, so I'm not worried. My entire soldering station cost like 200 euros, but it has hot air. It came with 10 tips.
Oh.
One of these, and it's the crappy kind like this that you screw on on the top.
Yeah, so it's not good.
No, it's not good. I put some thermal paste inside to make it the heat transfer better, and it works. But the thermal paste dries out.
100 degrees plus. Wow. Okay, you can burn boards with that rack. Yeah.
If I was using this soldering iron, I would actually buy myself a stand for it and just use it in the stand. Rather than using it as portable. But I do
Yeah, but portable, it has some uses. For example, in the car, if you have a 12 volt to PD, for example, for the car USB, car cigarette lighter to USB, that helps a lot because you can actually solder components. I actually did that with the battery one you gave me, the cheapo. I fixed one of the wires in the car the other day.
Let's cool down.
Yeah, somewhat.
Okay, I get your point, Lon. You tend to have more accidents when the soldering iron is not on the soldering iron holder on your
Correct.
Okay, that's a point. Yeah.
Yeah, I burned myself a few times here. So, yeah. Okay, I can agree there.
I think it's probably because I'm doing repair work, so I've got stuff all over the bench.
Yeah, so then you want your dedicated place.
I want the soldering iron to be where the soldering iron should be.
I actually want to change out mine because it's a power supply.
Is that cool down now?
Yeah.
Thank you, just checking. just checking.
Yeah. I want to change out mine because it's this big, this high, and it's power supply and I never use because I have my mini one I built. It has hot air and the soldering iron in it.
Yeah.
But it takes up so much space, and I opened it up. It's half the size. It's not used.
Gordon, for the bench work, you need a soldering station. 10 years ago, I would gladly subscribe there. These days, not so much anymore.
Actually, you can get away with one of these.
Yeah.
You can get away with.
MacArthur, I feel you. Oops, the soldering iron fell on the floor. Yeah, you do this once that you grab it while it's falling.
Oh,
you do this once.
Yeah. And then
After that, you're
fall.
fine. You never do this again.
You let it fall.
Yeah, you let it fall.
Ask me how I know.
You let it fall.
Yeah.
Mine is wired, so I actually hooked it with things and it goes flying.
Oh, this is also nice. Yeah, when hot solder's flying everywhere.
Yeah, and it goes like this near you and hanging there.
Normally, when a soldering iron falls off the bench, let it fall.
Yeah, but the reaction is try to get
No, this is only once.
no, it happened a few times.
You're a slow learner, right?
Not really. Not really. I don't have the money to replace it. That's why I'm poor. That's the difference.
Oh, that's what I need.
Oh yeah, you need that.
So we have 10 minutes, guys.
Ask us anything.
Ask us anything, and you might get a sensible answer.
AUAs. Yeah, not AMAs, AUAs. Yeah.
I mean, you will get an answer. It might
Maybe.
make sense.
Maybe.
I don't know. You'll definitely get one. I don't know. Ask us.
Yeah, Carter. And in Sweden we have parquet floors or plastic floors. So you had a nice hole in the floor, I'm guessing.
I've pocketed my plate.
I've just found a 9-pen multimeter that reads out the readings. What do you reckon? What do you mean by reads out the? Oh, it speaks.
Oh, it talks.
Is that what you mean?
Really?
With a text-to-speech thing. Oh. That could be good for people with some impairment.
Yeah.
Gordon, I bought a 5-volt portable soldering iron from eBay and it worked. I was shocked. Unplug the thing from the mains before you solder it. That's the answer to that one. It speaks.
It speaks. I would be scared if my multimeter speaks.
Well, what's the model number, Warwick?
Well, the idea is not bad. So if you're poking around somewhere and tells you 220 volt, don't touch this thing.
Yeah.
Not the worst thing, yeah.
Beep, warning. 220.
Yeah. Warwick, what's the model number of the Enang that speaks?
Huh. It could be useful.
Huh?
I can see myself using that when I'm lying down in the car checking signals. Checking if there's continuity or... I usually use the beep for that.
Yeah, this is what probably is still beeping, but...
Yeah, but sometimes the beep is not enough. You need to check the resistance, so that works great actually.
I found
Is it the big chunky thing?
I don't know what I found. I found a digital multimeter alarm clock.
The alarm clock?
What? We need this.
That's
We need this.
It's too expensive.
We need this.
Why? Does it have
How about that?
AM, FM radio stations as well?
Well, what is that? Digital multimeter, counts auto, multimeter, wireless app, speaker, alarm clock. What?
This is an Anang A3009.
Is it as much fun as this thing that I've just found? Look, it's got a clock,
It's a speaking
temperature,
multimeter.
a speaking. What?
That's
That's a bench.
Digital multimeter
It's
and
a
Bluetooth
big one.
speaker. Oh man, that's good on the likes.
Yeah. Please.
I'll have to register. Okay.
yeah, do it at home.
Well, okay, and then what is it?
3009. A3009.
A3009. I bet it's not as much fun as that thing I just found.
That one. Okay, yeah, it looks like a Car Pro actually.
This one speaks? Really?
This speaks.
Oh my god.
Smart
For
voice.
11 euros.
I know there's a few different options here.
And the Pro is probably the one that speaks, yeah.
Comes with a lot of tips and
Comes with more tip. Oh, okay, right. That one is inexpensive, so I'll order one of these and we'll.
smart voice broadcast. Yeah.
Okay, let's order one. Let's order one of those. And to be quite honest, I'm fascinated with that. The one I just found.
Ulrich, thank you for the tip, man.
I have I have a non-speaking version. ZTE.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
5566.
This is like
Yeah. Don't you love these gadgets? Of course, man. Of course, yeah.
I can't find a reason for them. There are some gadgets that don't have a reason to exist. Pretty much.
Like the thing that Richard has here.
Why?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Well, what's it say?
Okay. There you have the.
Current voltage, wireless, BT speak, Bluetooth speaker alarm clock.
So you have music while you're.
So you can have Bluetooth music.
Yeah.
Scroll down. Rich.
Scroll down.
Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you. The capture card doesn't like some
The text, yeah.
text, yeah.
Bluetooth music playing,
Maybe
time
was
display,
offended.
alarm clock,
Yeah.
ambient temperature, HD display,
20 amp.
20 amp current measurement, volume adjustable, brightness adjustable, built-in.
18650.
But can it run Doom?
Support the connection of electric cattle.
What? Electric cattle?
Electric like cows. Support the connection of electric cattle app. What?
This gets weird.
Oh come on! This is AliExpress. I've got this thing with AliExpress. I can order stuff and they'll send it me.
Yeah,
and I can
do
review
that.
it. Man, we've got.
This is
What do you think,
actually-
guys? Have we got to try this? Have we got to try this one,
Exactly
guys?
what you want.
Man, don't read anything that speaks. I'm glad.
None of the one above. The one above from Lon.
I'm glad I've no woman that nagged her for 10 minutes.
The one above.
Oh.
That's
There's a reason why you guys are going to analyse that as such interesting all electronic devices. For any reason why that occurs. What are your thoughts? I don't know.
We just nerds all of
we're
us.
we're addicted to AliExpress.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, and I like weird stuff.
Would anybody like to see this thing reviewed?
Yeah, but you have to try out the music setting as well.
Yeah.
Let's give it a try. Who knows? We might win something. You know, you might win.
If it can stream its values onto the computer.
That's what I'm thinking. Can
Yeah,
it
the
stream?
Bluetooth,
Can it stream its values?
and show the values directly on screen, yeah, it's useful.
What's electric cattle app?
Yeah.
You find out when you get one.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
probably in the manual.
Well,
Alarm function, yeah, to set it when your workday is over.
it says it's a smart kettle. A Wi-Fi cat? What?
Electric
Cattle?
kettle.
Can you turn on your kettle while measuring?
Oh, this is for the British people. They need that tea kettle. I see. Now I'm no offense to British people.
Oh,
Tea time.
man.
What the hell? Okay.
That's something else. Okay, 3 minutes left. Anything else we can find? Mad.
Shipping 19 euros. It's free here.
Well,
No.
I still have this set onto the United States.
Yeah.
I don't have it set correctly.
We put it to España que land. There we go.
Espanol.
España que
There.
and it should be free. No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Well, there were different sellers for this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of them is free.
Yeah, one of them is always free.
Yeah, but bear in mind we get 21% less off this one.
Yeah. It's still reasonable for what it is.
Okay, we'll have some fun with that.
Yeah, your frequency generator.
Oh yeah,
It's cheaper than I thought. 24 megahertz.
Field Tech.
It's this.
Field Tech.
It looks the same.
Arbitrary function generator. Is that like you just get what we give you?
Yeah.
Not what you asked for.
Arbitrary.
Stuff that you're having that way. It's like,
It's around there.
yeah.
It is a signal.
Okay, so we're done. I think that's about it.
I think that's about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe
You guys have a nice one, and if you're going to travel to the island, just give us a call or a message, and we can meet up and have some fun. Even if I'm drugged down, I can probably make it.
We'll drag him with us. Yep.
Yeah.
We do that.
Yeah, no, I'll be there.
We're good.
So guys, have a nice one. See you in a fortnight.
Yeah.
See ya.
See you in August.
Bye.
Bye.
Ciao.